Okay, so this is a reconstruction of our old shed that Andy's thought of, haven't you, darling?
I came up with a plan.
You came up with a plan, didn't you, darling?
Come and have a
And
look
what
inside.
Andy's done is, you can see well, Andy had planned for it, where the boys are, Pablo and Jack are in the sunshine. That's all new flooring. And they've moved the door round because it was a hexagon shape. Like it, boys? Yay. This will make life a lot easier. But it's sort of, the line used to be here of the old house, and Andy's just had the roof extended and moved out. The walls have been moved out with the window. I don't know if I'm showing you this properly. You can just see the workmen are coming back tomorrow, but the doors have been moved round. So there's the door, which the boys were enjoying. But it's so much better. This will be where I do my podcasting from and my writing. But we've still got the little balcony. I think the boys are happy there in the sunshine. But what a difference. The actual size has made, like, doubled the size. So you're just refurbishing an old summer house. There's a roof. They've done a really good job. That's a new... The old settee. But this would double up as a little house. So you could put a bed in here and somebody could quite happily sleep out here. Put my mum out here. But it's fabulous. Let's have another look from out here. And we use Sheds R Us in Worcester. And they're really, really good because they actually made this design up for us in the first instance when we had it first built 7 years ago. But it's fantastic. It's added a new lease of life to the garden. Wow. One lucky girlie. What do you think, Jack? Do you like it? Jack. Ah, so Sheds R Us.